Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by unlocking the iPhone and tapping settings. This is the control center for background activity. Once done, scroll to General so you can access background app refresh. Make sure you're on Wi-Fi or have a cellular plan active because the setting can be restricted by network. Also confirm battery level and low power mode is off, since that disables background refresh. These steps prepare the phone so the actual toggles behave predictably, and you won't chase phantom failures. Now you'll tap General and then Background App Refresh. This shows the system-level options and a per-app list. Choose All, Wi-Fi, or Wi-Fi and Cellular to set the global policy. Pick Wi-Fi to save mobile data. After that, scroll the app list and toggle each app you want updated in the background. Turn off apps that drain battery or data. You're controlling both when updates occur and which apps can run, so balance usefulness against battery and data costs. Finish by closing settings and observing app behavior. That confirms the change took effect. If an app still won't refresh, restart the iPhone and make sure low power mode is off, because it overrides background refresh. Also verify the global background app refresh option hasn't been reset and that the app is up to date. Older versions can misreport permissions. If issues persist, reinstall the app or update iOS, since software bugs often block background activity. This usually resolves stubborn problems.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.